Hey guys, yeah, so I had to change spots because it was so windy. So I'm in an enclosed area where I can cook up my beef stew.
So take me back to California, please. Take me back. Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far away from me, from me, from me. Made my first album. It came out the same day as Kanye's. I made my best single. Came out and it felt so great.
Well guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's open her up and see how it looks. That smells pretty good. Looks good too. Give her a stir. It's not too liquidy, so that's what it looks like. Let's try her out. See if first bite. Can you use a fork or a spoon? I'll try the fork. Not bad. Pretty tasty.
Where do we go? Hello. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Hello. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Hello. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Take me back to California. I wanna go back to 2018. I wanna go back to when I was happy. So take me back to California, please.
That's my freeze-dried Mountain House beef stew. Pretty good. Well guys, that was it. Finished my meal. It was pretty good. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button and thank you to all my new subscribers. Alright guys, well stay safe and peace out. We'll see you in the next video.